Please be advised that the following video presentation is for educational and training purposes only. Before making any financial or tax decisions, please consult a registered tax agent.
Hello everyone, this is Brenda Ferguson from Impact Taxation and Financial Services. Welcome to a new session with us. This session is a follow-up on the company BAS preparation file. In this session, I'd like to show you a few tricks in Excel to help you speed up the process when you're updating this file. First thing I'd like to show you is a filter function in Excel. With the filter function, you can select multiple lines at the same time. To continue our example in the last session, you have filled in the income expense type and GST code for the first line. From the description column, you notice that you have purchased from Bunnings a few times, and you know that all purchases from Bunnings are for tools and all of them included GST. So what you can do is click on the little triangle in the title line for the descriptions. Click on the square in front of Select All to unselect all the choices. Then you click on the square in front of Bunnings to select all descriptions showing as Bunnings. Then you go to Income Expense Type and GST code columns. Select top line and the empty lines below, and press Ctrl D on the keyboard. Ctrl D is an Excel function called Copy Down function. When you use Copy Down function, Excel will copy the content of the first line to all the lines below. Make sure you don't use copy function for the area here, since when the file is filtered, use of copy function for the area might change the lines hidden in between the lines. In Excel, when a file is filtered, the line numbers on the left will change to a light blue color. You also notice that the numbers are not continuous when the data is filtered. At the same time, you can see that in the title line, the little triangle here changed to a filter sign. It means that this column is in the filter mode. To clear a filter, you need to go to the top. In Excel toolbar, click on Data. Next to Filter, click on Clear. Make sure that you don't click on the Filter button. If you click on it, the filter will be removed from the file. If in case you click it by accident, it's okay. You just need to select all the lines you want to include in the filter, including the title line at the top. Then you click on the filter button again. You can use filter function to select only blank lines to work on in column H and I as well. If you want to find all the blank items in column H, click on the filter drop-down button in the top line, unselect all the lines, then select blank lines. Then if you know that in column E, all the items showing as fees are bank fees, you can filter all the items in column E as fees. Then in income expense type and GST code, you can update the first line and copy down to the other lines. After you finish this, you can remove the filter in column E by clicking Select All again. You notice now that column H is updated to show all the remaining blank lines. There are other ways you can filter your data too. Say in column F, you want to select everything contained LD. In the filter, you can select Text Filters, then choose Contains. In this cell here, you type in LD. You can also add another filter below, but for this example, we'll stick to one filter only. So we click OK. Then all the lines including LD will be showing here. If we know they're both for office supplies and both included the GST, we can update column H and I accordingly. Fill in the first line, then Ctrl D from the keyboard to copy down to the lines below. Remember, if at any time you want to see all the lines, you can get out from the filter mode by clicking on the Clear button in the Excel toolbar. Hope you enjoy using the Excel functions to update this file. Our contact details are listed below. If you have any questions, please feel free to let us know.